Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dominic from West Island Guitars. We're doing the In the Shop series today. On the bench we have this really nice Epiphone ES335 Dot Edition. There's a previous video we did on this where I did a setup cleaning, and today we're going to do an electronics situation here where there's a bit of problems on the switch. We're going to find out if it needs some soldering or we're going to replace the switch altogether. Let's get started.
West Island Guitars.
All right, first thing we'll do is we'll plug her in. I did some diagnostics with this before, intermittent, so we're gonna start and see if we get some sound. Yeah, definitely not 100%. So we're going to take off the switch and replace it with a new one. So the first thing we'll do is we will take off the pick guard, put it right here. All right, now I've got this little tool here from Music Nomad. So it's got some teeth on either side and it's basically like a little wrench. So we undo that. Now, on these guitars, really important to note that there's only one way to get inside here, and it's through this F-hole, because there's no back plate, there's no anything to access any of the electronics. So the only way you can work on the electronics is by feeding it through this little F-hole, and they're really a pain to work with sometimes. So we've got here, so it doesn't look like there's anything loose. Everything's pretty tight, so I can just definitely see there's some oxidation in the switch here. So we're going to go ahead and change this and see what happens. First, I'd like to mark the wires here, because the other two really don't matter, because we're going to put them on either side, and then we'll position the switch depending on if it's going to be the bridge or the neck pickup. So it's just really important to kind of do that one. We're going to heat up our soldering iron here. So I know I've used this before, but I really like this Milwaukee cordless soldering iron. It is a model 2480, and I'll put a description in the link below. So we're going to turn her on. So it doesn't take too long to turn on. Maybe about a minute, but I like to let it go a little bit longer than that so we can, it gets nice and hot. Okay, so while that's going, so I've got here a replacement part, okay, and it is a, standard three-way selector switch. Music Lily makes these. You get them on Amazon. It's about 18 bucks Canadian. So it comes with all the rings and everything we need for it, and it's got two different colors on the little jacket here. So I'm going to open that up. So here's all the little parts for it. So locking nut behind, which this one didn't have one, so we're going to put it back exactly the way it was. So whenever I'm doing any soldering in a tight space like this, I just make sure that I protect the area. So if there's any solder that comes out, we don't have any issue. So we'll start with that guy. And just a little bit of heat and it just comes right off. There you go. So now the back one, it's got them all kind of together here. We'll take that one off too. So this one's a little more stubborn for sure, but she comes off. See what I mean? We got here some little solder that comes off. So if that goes on the body, it's just not good for the paint. So now the new switch doesn't have any solder on it whatsoever. So we need to put some on. So we don't want to heat up the metal too much, but it's got to be enough to bond and get the flux on there. It's very delicate because it's very tight. Put a little more solder in there. Got no pieces touching. That looks pretty good. All right, so now we can plug her in. See if we got all our points right. That's both together. So that one's going to be our... So that is our bridge, and that's our neck. So we're going to flip this way. There you go. So it's all working fine. Okay, so now comes the tricky part of getting this thing back in here. Like that. So we're going to orient it in the way that it needs to be. Okay, let's just plug her in, make sure we got the right orientation. Yeah, we got everything working together. Very cool. So we put this guy back on. Should we put the white one, the cream? Let's get the white one on here. Sounds good. Let's give her a whirl. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out a lot more of our videos, how-to and some podcasts and interviews. Plenty of stuff coming along the pipeline. This is Dom from West Island Guitars. Keep on rocking. Peace out. Later.